The era of digital railways is here. The Next Generation Communication Standard, FRMCS, or Future Railway Mobile Communication System, is set to replace the existing GSM-R technology. This advanced system will enable unprecedented levels of automation, seamless interoperability, and a wide array of 5G-based services across global rail networks, transforming how trains operate and communicate. Railways worldwide are actively migrating to FRMCS to support mission-critical voice, data, and signaling over robust 5G infrastructure. With autonomous operations becoming a reality, IoT-based maintenance systems enhancing efficiency, and connected metro systems expanding rapidly, there's a significant and growing demand for professionals who deeply understand FRMCS architecture, its migration strategy, and the underlying standards. This expertise is crucial for the future of rail. This comprehensive 4-hour live online certificate course, proudly offered by Zenith Rail Academy, provides a deep dive into FRMCS's evolution, its intricate system architecture, effective migration strategies, and its pivotal role in the digital transformation of rail. It's meticulously designed for signaling and telecom engineers, rolling stock and system engineers, and all rail professionals actively engaged in driving digital innovation within the railway sector. Throughout the course, we'll cover essential topics, including the detailed evolution from GSM-R to FRMCS, examining global pilot cases and real-world implementations. We'll explore the core FRMCS architecture, focusing on 5G new radio, mission-critical services, and the various RAN and transport components. Furthermore, we'll delve into practical migration strategies, address critical spectrum issues, discuss cybersecurity protocols, and ensure interoperability. Finally, we'll analyze diverse use cases in predictive maintenance, digital twins, autonomous trains, and review the standardization timelines shaping the future of rail. After successfully completing this course, you'll be fully equipped to understand the strategic shift to FRMCS and precisely how it enables advanced digital railway operations. You'll be able to clearly explain the key 5G technologies and system components involved, recognize various migration pathways, and identify associated regulatory, interoperability, and cybersecurity challenges. Most importantly, you'll be able to confidently apply your new knowledge in critical roles such as a signaling or telecom engineer, in asset management, operations, or as a technology vendor working on the next generation of rail networks. Join our 4-hour FRMCS certificate course today and strategically position yourself at the forefront of railway communication transformation. Visit railwayacademy.org to enroll now and secure your future in digital rail.